Welcome to the next episode of our how-to series related to DocuSign Anything, our integration of Business Central and DocuSign's e-signature. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to set up your production environment so that you can start using DocuSign Anything in your everyday processes. The great thing about our solution is that it doesn't matter if you have your own DocuSign subscription or not. We are ready to onboard you in both scenarios. I'll give you more details on each option in the next part of the video. Let's get started. To set up our integration, we recommend you to use our setup wizard available through the search bar. This is the first screen of the wizard where you just need to read and agree to our terms and conditions, which is mandatory, and then you can move to the next screen where you will be asked to select the owner of the envelopes. You can either use envelopes from your own DocuSign subscription if you have one, or you can use envelopes provided by us. So let's select the second option then. In this case, you would be using our own envelopes, which we can sell you or you can get from us at a competitive price because we are an official DocuSign partner. And in addition to the monthly fee for DocuSign Anything, we would value your envelope usage on a monthly basis. The next step is creation of a so-called company user that will exist in our own DocuSign production account. To create your user, click the three dots on the right. You can see that you need to create the name for your company user and enter an email address. We recommend you to use some generic values such as the name of your company or the department that will use DocuSign Anything, because this information will be displayed to your signers when they will be receiving the emails from you through DocuSign. Let me show you a quick example. This is what I'm talking about. This is the value you're about to create in this step here. So let me just quickly enter some values I prepared. And then you can confirm your selection, and you should get a confirmation message that your company user has been successfully created. And in the next step, you are going to receive an activation email to your email address you filled in. We recommend you to check your spam folder as well, because you can see that sometimes you can receive the activation email or as a spam. So this is how it looks like. You just need to click on the activate button. And in the next step, you will be asked to create your account and to create your password to access your company user's account with DocuSign. I've already done that before, so I will just sign in. And after you have created your DocuSign account and the passport, you will be brought to this dashboard where you can, for example, monitor or manage the activity related to your company user. You can, for example, generate custom reports or use report DocuSign already predefined for you, which is very useful. And now that all regarding the creation of the company user, and we can move back to our setup wizard. So we just confirm that the confirmation message we got previously, and you can see that the value of your company user ID has been automatically filled in, which is correct. So you can move to the next step where you need to grant consent to the application, which means that you're basically giving the right to the application to access your DocuSign account in your absence. So to do that, please just click the link icon here, and you can either sign in with your credentials you've just used for the creation of your company user, or if you're already logged in, you just need to click on the allow access button here, and you can see that the link icon has changed to a check mark. That means that the consent was granted, and we can move to the next step. And you can see that all the values here have already been automatically filled in, because they are related to our own DocuSign account. So you don't need to do anything in this step here, and there's only one last step left, and that is testing the connection. I already mentioned that in the episode related to the demo environment. The test is not mandatory, but we recommend you to do it anyway, so that you can be sure that the connection has been established properly. So let's do the test. And that's it. You are all set, and we can discuss the scenario related to your own DocuSign subscription in the next part of the video. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to work with your own subscription when setting up the integration. In this case, you would be using the envelopes included in your own DocuSign subscription, and you would use your own DocuSign credentials to grant consent to the application. The first step of the setup process is obviously the same, so we can skip it. And we just need to select the correct scenario, which is the first one in this case. Then we need to grant consent to the application. So let's do that. You won't get the allow access pop-up window if you're already logged in, as I am at the moment. Otherwise, you would be asked to sign in, and you would use your own credential you used to log into your DocuSign account. And now we can move to the next step, where we will need to look for these three values inside your DocuSign account. So now it's the time for you to log in. And once or after you have logged in, you will be displayed or shown this homepage dashboard, and your credentials can be found under the admin tab. So let's go there, and then we will need to look for the section called apps and keys in the in the left vertical menu. So let's scroll a bit down, and you can see that this section can be found under or within the part of the menu related to integration. So let's select the apps and keys, and you can see that all three values we require from you in the setup wizard are displayed here. So let's copy the values one by one and test the connection, which is the last part of the setup process. You can see that this scenario or the setup process related to this scenario is very straightforward, and that it took us only a few seconds to finish it. So let's move to the testing of the connection. Again, this step is not mandatory, but we recommend you to do it anyway. And that's it. You're ready to start using DocuSign anything and send your first envelope. So thank you for joining me today. And if you have any questions or you need support during the setup process, please contact us at info@onpointsurf.com.